Alright guys, I'll show you this. We don't do snow and ice in Mississippi. Whoa. But this was sleet and snow, and now it has turned into ice. And if you ain't real careful, you're gonna fall down and get hurt. I've got on my heavy duty work boots and I'm still slipping. So I want to see what you can do at home as a DIY for somebody who doesn't normally deal with this stuff to come up with a way to make some grips for your boots. Let's see what we can come up with. All right, well, we're going to test the concept. Got it strapped on the boot. No slip. Left foot firmly planted. Right foot can get almost no traction. Left foot never slipped. Time to make another one. Well, you know what they say, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Let's take a walk on these things and see how they're gonna do. Well, you can see it or not, they're digging right in. All right guys, there you go, something a little different. Bored here at the house, can't work on anything really, everything's frozen. It's too cold. Sun has actually come out and it feels pretty good on the skin. That's why I don't need a jacket. But you saw how easy it was to make. You can take one long zip tie and wrap several around and then clip them off and strap it around your boot and digs right in. You won't fall and bust your butt. I almost fell down about 4 or 5 times early this morning before the sun came out just to bring out garbage. So there you go. We don't do this stuff in the South, so if you like what you saw, go down there and hit the like button. Subscribe, tell your friends, tell your neighbors. Y'all come back and see us. There's always something crazy going on in the Real World Garage. Thanks for coming.